Hello everyone, this is Harsh and today we will see how to develop inventory management system with limited feature. Here we can see the login and registration page and the simple view like this dashboard and this list and how to add the product. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So I will first start with the control what I have used here. To develop this UI and this application I have used multiple NuGet package. So first let's see the NuGet package what I have installed here. You can see all the NuGet package here inside the dependency. You can go to the package and you can see I have used live charts.wpf to show the charts and MahApp.metro to use some metro window style controls and the Prism NuGet package to use the Prism library. Okay, so this is the main window. Here I made it as metro window. Here for making our application, our window as metro window, we have to use MahApp package. For that we have to first import the namespace for the controls. Using these controls we can specify the window like metro window. Then I have added the content like what are the content should be displayed in the main window. So for that I have used content control and this Prism region manager dot region name and the main content region. Here I have used Prism for the region. Okay, so if you don't know what is the region, so you can watch my Prism 8 tutorial playlist. So for this also we have imported the namespace for the Prism. Okay, this is the main window. Now the home window. In the home window I have added the Hemberger menu from the MahApp package. Okay, so for that I have added the namespace. So using this namespace we can use the Hemberger menu. So this we will see later. First we will see the controls. And this is the control and this is the property I have set for display mode like compact inline. And I also created the item template for Hemberger menu. Inside the item template I have added inside the dock panel we have the icon and the text. Okay, and I also added the trigger. Okay, and here I have added the item source like what are the menu we want to show. For that I have to use Hemberger menu item collection. Here I have added 3 menus like dashboard, inventory and products. Okay, and this is the content for displaying the content for these menu. Here also I have used Prism region. Okay, this is about home view. Now we will go to the dashboard view, which is this one, and we'll go dashboard view here. So here what I have added some MahApp control like tiles. For the tile also I have imported the namespace here. If you see here, this is the namespace. So here I will show total inventory value as a tile and low stock alert and upcoming order and recent transaction as a tile. Okay, and here I also want to show chart, means inventory history I will show here. For that I have used that live chart NuGet package. So we have to add the namespace for that I have added here. Okay, so using that we have added x-axis and the y-axis. In x-axis we will show the date and inventory count on y-axis. This is the dashboard view. Okay, now I will go to inventory view where we will see the list of the product. So for that I have added data grid and here I will show ID, name, category, price, stock, and the action means here we can edit the item or delete the item. And then we will see the product view where we can add the product. So here we can set the product name, category, price, all these things we will set and will save the detail so that it will show to the inventory view. Okay, and this is the login view. So here I have used some MahApp attached property like clear text button for the text box so that we can see the clear button to the text box, and also I have added the watermark for the text box. Okay, same way I have added password box, and here I also use the MahApp property MahApp style like reveal, like this one MahApp styles dot password box dot revealed. Okay, so what it will do, it will show the eye icon. So if we want to show the password we can click on that eye icon and it will reveal the password and we can read the password. This I will show later. I have added one class for this because we can't directly bind the password of the password box. And here we have the login button, and then this is the text like don't have an account registered here. Okay, this is login part. Now the register view here. So here we will add the username, password, all this thing here I will add. So here I will say username, okay, username and password and the confirm password and then register. This is all about the basic features of this application. In the next video we will see how I have implemented the logic for all these things. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends and wait for the next video.